Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 13th September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. In this session, you can got the very most important current affairs of 13th September. Okay, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, who became new chairman of NSD, National School of Drama? Paresh Rawal, Amitabh Bachchan, Anupam Kher. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Paresh Rawal. Recently, Bollywood actor and for the former MP Paresh Rawal have been appointed as the new chairman of National School of Drama. Okay, and he is appointed by President Ramnath Kovind. Okay, our second question was, South India's first Kisan Rail started from which state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, option C, Andhra Pradesh, option D, Karnataka. The correct answer here is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh CM Yagan Mohan Reddy flagged off the India's second, but South India's first Kisan Rail from Anandpur, Andhra Pradesh to Adarsh railway station, Delhi. Okay, Anandpur railway station to Adarsh railway station, Delhi. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World First Aid Day is observed? 12 September, 13 September, 15 September, 20 October. The correct answer here is 12 September. Option A is correct here. Actually, the World First Aid Day is observed on second Saturday of September. It is observed second Saturday of September. Second Saturday of September month, and this year it is on 12 September. So this year World First Aid Day is observed on 12 September. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Moody's forecast India's GDP decreased by how much percentage in financial year 2021? -9%, -11.5%, -10%, -12%. The correct answer here is option B, -11.5%. The rating agency Moody's has projected the GDP growth of India is -11.5%, or to contract by the 11.5% in financial year 2021 due to COVID-19. Okay, different rating agency gives their data. Remember that Moody's data is -11.5%, and previously we discussed that the -9% is given by CRISIL's. The CRISIL's given data the -9% of India's GDP growth, and the Fitch rating of the Indian arm given that -11.8%. -11.8%. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. UNICEF has appointed whom for Children's Right Campaign? As per you see the image of Ayushman Khurrana here, the correct answer here is option A, Ayushman Khurrana. Recently, United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF abbreviation is United Nations Children's Fund, has appointed Ayushman Khurrana as its celebrity advocate for Children's Right Campaign. Okay, for every child. The campaign name is For Every Child. Okay, and the headquarters of the UNICEF is situated in New York. It is situated in New York. Okay. Next question. What is the rank of India in Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? 79, 100, 105, 110. The correct answer here is 105. Option C is correct here. India has ranked 105th position in Global Economic Freedom Index 2020 annual report by Canada's Fraser Institute. India's rank is 105, and the first position is achieved by Hong Kong. You can see the list here, rank 1 to rank 5. First is Hong Kong, Singapore, New Zealand, Switzerland, United States, and in 105 our country India, in 124 China. Okay, top 5 countries in Global Economic Freedom Index 2020. Okay. Question number 5. Which state has launched India's largest piggery mission? Meghalaya, West Bengal, Assam, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer here is Meghalaya. Option A is correct here. Meghalaya is correct here. The state government of the Meghalaya has launched India's biggest piggery mission with an outlay of Rs 2009 crore, having worth 2009 crore. Okay, it is a piggery mission. Okay, Meghalaya is in news. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Okay, and Konark Sharma is the chief minister here, and Satyapal Malik recently appointed as the governor of Meghalaya. Okay, Satyapal Malik is the governor of Meghalaya. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Diana Rigg has passed away. She was related to which field? Sports, acting, journalism. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, acting. Option B, acting. British actress Dame Diana Rigg recently passed away. She made her debut in Royal Shakespeare Company in 1959. Her first debut in 1959. Okay, you can see the image of Diana Rigg here, British actress. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. 13th Aero India 21 to be held in which city? Mumbai, Bengaluru. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Delhi. The correct answer here is option B, Bengaluru. Option B is correct here. Bengaluru. The 13th edition of Aero India 21 is scheduled to be held at Air Force Station, Bengaluru, Karnataka from 3rd February to 7th February. It is going to be held from 3rd February to 7th February 2021. It is going to be held in 2021. Okay. Rajnath Singh addressed this meeting. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which state has launched YSR Asra Yojana? Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha. Option D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer here is Andhra Pradesh. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has launched YSR Asra scheme. It will benefit 87 lakh women. It will benefit to 87 lakh women belonging to 8.71 lakh SSG group. 8.7 SSG group. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Andhra Pradesh is in news. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is, Andhra Pradesh is the first state in India having 3 capital system. Legislative capital is Amravati. Executive capital is Visakhapatnam. And judicial capital is Kurnool. Remember the name. Kurnool is the judicial capital of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Chief Minister is Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Biswabhushan Harichandan. Biswabhushan Harichandan is the Governor of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Question number 9. Who has launched 5-star village scheme? Karnataka Bank, India Post, Ministry of Home Affairs. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is India Post. Option B is correct here. India Post has launched a scheme called 5-Star Village to ensure universal coverage of flagship postal schemes in rural area of the country. This scheme is launched by India Post and it is launched for villages. Okay, and the name of the scheme is 5-Star Villages Scheme. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Who has launched the Climate Smart Cities Assessment Framework 2.0? Prakash Javadekar, Amit Shah, Hardeep Singh Puri. Option D, Anandiben Patel. The correct answer here is Hardeep Singh Puri. Option C is correct here. Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of State for Housing and Urban Affairs, has launched the Climate Smart Cities Assessment Framework, CSCAF. In short form, it is CSCAF. Okay. Climate Smart Cities Assessment Framework for 2.0. It is launched by Hardeep Singh Puri. Okay. It is also launched Street for People Challenges. Also a new campaign launched by Hardeep Singh Puri, that is Street for People Challenges. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who is appointed as member of WHO Independent Panel? Okay, which Indian is appointed as a member of WHO Independent Panel? Our second question is, who has launched central bank digital currency testing platform? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a regular practice is done by you. It is a regular practice for you. This question of the day, the aim of the question of the day, to practice your ability. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thank you. Have a great day.